back to my channel. Today's tutorial is on this beautiful hair. So this hair was sponsored by the Allove Hair company. So they sent this hair to me, this 22 inches lace frontal wig, and I really love this wig. It was very easy to install, and I love how flat it came out. Look at how flat this is. So I will show you guys how I was able to mold it to come out this flat. And also, so stay tuned for this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comment section, and also check the description box down below. I put in the link to their website, so please check that out if you're interested in getting this hair. And also they're having a back to school discount going on right now, so please check their website out for affordable virgin Brazilian hair. So let's dive right into this video. Alright guys, so in order to apply your lace frontal, you're going to need your alcohol and your cotton wool, and you're just going to rub it on your forehead to wipe out any oil residue. That way your lace frontal is not lifting. And please don't mind my cornrow, it's about 2 weeks old. I do not plan to wear this wig for a long time, so I just took out the crochet that I had in there and just wash it out. So you're just gonna put on the wig to see where you need to cut out the excess lace on there. So you're just gonna take your scissors or whatever is convenient for you, and you're just gonna cut out the excess lace in like a zigzag shape. So when you're done cutting, you're just gonna put it aside and then apply your glue. So I'm not using the ball cap method because, as you can see, my hairline is far behind. So if you have an hairline that is further in the shape of your hair, so you can use the ball cap method. So the glue is not directly on my hair, as you can see. So that's why I'm not using the ball cap method. So in order to speed up the drying process, I'm just using my blow dryer on cool setting to dry it. And so I'm gonna apply the glue again. So I'm using 2 layers of the glue. If you want it to last longer or have it in for a long time, you can do 3 layers. But because I'm not I'm only wearing it for about a week to 2 weeks. So I'm only doing 1 layer. So when it's about clear to dry, not all the way dry, so you can apply your lace on there, and you're gonna make sure you're careful not to smush it into the glue. So you're just gonna hold it down on the glue and apply a little bit pressure on both sides. So you want to make sure you're using your fingers to hold it down, especially on the sides. And when you're done, you're just gonna take your cotton part and just and alcohol to wipe out the excess glue on your forehead. And if there's any excess lace on there, you're just gonna take your scissors and cut it out, and be careful not to cut out your skin. And at this point, as you can see, it was really hard to cut out the lace because the glue was already on there. So before applying it, you want to make sure you're cutting out the right amount of the lace before applying the glue. I would have loved to cut out the lace a little bit more before applying the glue, but as you can see, it's already glued down. But not to worry, the baby hair is gonna cover it up. So when you're done, you're just gonna use your Nairobi foam mousse. This is better than the regular mousse to mold it down. That's what gives it that natural look and flat hair. So I really did not flat iron or apply heat on this hair or anything like that. This is actually the only thing I use to mold it down and make it flat. And I did use a large amount of the setting lotion. And when I'm done with the baby hair, I'm just gonna mold it down with my scarf, or if you have a hair wrap or anything like that. So I'm just combing the setting lotion through into the hair, and I'm gonna section out my baby hair in the front. And I will also put in the description box the video link of how I pluck and customize this frontal. So I'm just cutting out the side of the lace frontal because it's mostly come in a bigger size than the shape of the head. So I'm gonna take my razor blade and just cut out the baby hair and style it. So you're just gonna apply more of the setting lotion and comb it out, and use your finger to apply pressure as you're combing it, as you're styling it. And when you're done styling, you're just gonna take your hair wrap and just use it to mold the hair down. And you can use your blow dryer to apply heat in order to mold it down. And when you're done blow drying, it should come out looking this soft and natural looking. I really do love this hair. As you can see, it's very silky, it's very soft, and it's just natural looking. So check their website out, and make sure to leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about this look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. If you're on Facebook and Instagram, please follow me at Soda112. And also, if this is your first time on my channel, please click the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. That's way you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Have a blessed day. Bye.